It's time for the Christmas edition of the Cozy Corner, hosted by Arlynn's Country Craft Corner and Sweet Daisy Creations. So if you want to see what I managed to put together, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos about those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into it. Arlynn at Arlynn's Craft Corner and Kim at Sweet Daisy Creations have issued their second or third challenge for the Christmas holiday, and this one is the Cozy Corner. And there were three things we were expected to do. One was we were to have a garland, and it could be fabric or some kind of berries or vines or whatever. We were also to have a bowl, any kind of bowl that we chose, and then we were also to have a plaque or a picture, and then it was to be built around either a table, a crate, a ladder, or something like that. I decided to build my Cozy Corner around this telephone table that sits here in my entryway. This telephone table used to sit in my grandmother's home, and now I am lucky enough to have it in mine. And I decided to put this Christmas Cozy Corner right here in my entryway so that when people walk in the door, it's the first thing they'll see. But I also wanted something just a little bit more simple. Certainly more simple than what I had for my fall Cozy Corner. So let's take a look. Here is my Cozy Corner. And one of the things I'm most pleased about in this corner is this little tree. It reminds me of the blue spruce that I've got in the backyard. And when I saw it, I thought it would be perfect to sit here on this little telephone table. And then here's my plaque, Believe in the Miracle. And I love the little sugared fruits or frosted fruits and pine cones that I've got here. And this year I was thinking simple. When I did my fall Cozy Corner, it was pretty full and I wasn't really able to sit on this seat. So for the Christmas Cozy Corner, I decided I didn't want to have it so busy that I felt uncomfortable sitting there, because the whole idea is that it would be cozy. So here's my garland, and it's a burlap garland, and then here's my bow. I tried to make a funky bow, and I wanted to pick up the plaid in the bow to mimic the plaid in this pillow, which I did manage to do, but what I realized is that when I got home with the ribbon, this is the only one that had the wire in it. These two ribbons did not, so I had to make do. But I'm still pretty pleased with how they turned out, because I still drew together the colors that I was most concerned about. And I like the reflection of the tree and the bow with the garland in the mirror. And of course, I always had that little American flag tucked in the corner over here. And if you take a look at the pillow, you see that reindeer standing there with his horns making a big silhouette on the pillow. And then we've got a reindeer that is kneeling, or shall I say sitting here. And so you can see head with the horns kind of picking up each other. So I'm really pleased with the way I managed to pull everything together. It's nice and it's simple, but it's cozy. And on the back of the telephone table was just an old table runner that was my grandmother's. Kind of like a really big doily. I'm not sure, but just this really old table runner. And I just thought it was perfect to use for this situation. I hope you enjoyed my Christmas Cozy Corner as much as I enjoyed putting it together. And let me take this opportunity once again to thank Arlynn and Kim for hosting this challenge. And if you are not familiar with Arlynn and Kim, you need to certainly check them out. I will link Arlynn's channel as well as Kim's channel below, and I will also link the playlist when it's available so that you can check out all the other amazing creations that the other YouTube creators have done. Now here's my question for you. What part of this Cozy Corner did you find most interesting? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children, I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.